Hello guys and welcome back to unboxmuse. My name is Patrick Ago and my twinny should be here somewhere. He'll pop up from the TV, I guess. I don't know, but anyway. So I just want to remind you this YouTube channel is about unboxing. I will not review, just unbox it, tell you the features of it, and that's it. Anyway, so for this episode, the Samsung UHD TV 55/7 series nu7100. It has a lot of features and it's so affordable for you. It's around $500 and it's a 4K TV, UHD, HDR, Wi-Fi built in. All those options for $500, I think it's amazing. 55-inch. That's crazy. If you have watched my previous video, you know this is the biggest unboxing yet. Alright, so the 55-inch Samsung TV, I'll have to unbox it because this Winnie is not here. And I'm sure he will pop up from the TV. Don't be scared. Anyway, let's open it. Small advice guys, for this kind of TVs, you should not put your fingers on the screen when you want to remove it from the box. Be very careful. And about the screen, little information, this is a LED TV. This is not a QLED TV. This is why the price is low, but it is a 4K TV. So let's take it out. Before we turn on the TV, what you have is two leg stands for the TV if you wanna put it on the table, and then you have all the needed, like the batteries, and then you have the power cable, the manual, and the remote control, which is right here. Let's plug it, make it work, and then we call my twinny. Alright guys, now that we have unboxed the TV, I wanna show you some of the features by turning it on. But before, I want to tell you this little feature that you can have, that if you're watching a standard or full HD movie or TV shows, it does the upscale to UHD quality. This is insane with this range of price, $495 on Best Buy, and this is not an advertising. So upscaling options, full HD to 4K resolutions. As you can see guys, you have the antenna in directly connected to the TV, and you have HDMI 1, 2 and 3, so you have 3 input HDMI options. I'm sitting on the like 45 angle from the TV, and the quality, the resolution, quite amazing. Alright, so let's move on to the application. As you can see, you have the live TV, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Gallery, etc., Stars Play, and you have a lot of more application right here. And you can, of course, with your phone, mirror the phone to your TV directly, so you can see your phone on the TV, and you have, of course, access to the internet. It's a smart TV, it's a normal TV. The edge that you can see here is very tiny. I think it's like half centimeters or maximum 1 centimeters. It's so thin. And in the back of the TV, it's a little bit bumpy on the back, and you can, as I told you, you have 3 HDMI and 2 USB access from the back, and the power for powering the TV. Alright guys, that's it for this TV. Don't forget, this is a 4K UHD HDR TV, and it can upscale. You have a built-in Wi-Fi, all the application that you can imagine, you have access to it. You have 3 HDMI, 2 USB port in the back. Amazing TV. It's a very nice product to have at home. 55-inch again. So Twinny, yeah. Do you wanna say the goodbye?
Of course.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Thank you so much for watching this amazing comfortable Samsung by my Twinny. Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel now, and don't forget Instagram, unboxmuse. Comment anything you want. See you next week, right? Bye-bye. Peace.